Pope Francis appoints Fr. Stephen Chow as new Bishop of Hong Kong. Pope Francis has appointed Fr. Stephen Chow, S.J. as the next Bishop of Hong Kong. Chow, 61, has served as the provincial of the Jesuits' Chinese province since 2018. In that role, he led the Jesuit order in Taiwan, Hong Kong, Macau, and mainland China as the Vatican-China deal was first signed and during the crackdown on Hong Kong. Democracy Protest Movement. The Vatican announced Chow's appointment on May 17, more than 2 years after the death of Bishop Michael Yeung Mingching left Hong Kong without a permanent bishop. Fr. Stephen Chow Saoyan was born in Hong Kong on 7 August 1959. He studied in the United States, earning a bachelor's and master's degree in psychology from the University of Minnesota before entering the Society of Jesus in Dublin, Ireland at the age of 25. During his Jesuit novitiate, he obtained a licentiate in philosophy in Ireland and then returned in 1988 to Hong Kong, where he was ordained to the priesthood on 16 July 1994. Chow continued his studies at Loyola University in Chicago, where he earned a master's degree in organizational development in 1995. He spent the next 5 years working as a campus minister, vocations director, and ethics teacher at Wah Yan College in Kowloon and Hong Kong. In 2000, Chow began a doctoral program at Harvard University's Graduate School of Education studying development and psychology. He graduated with a doctorate in education in 2006. The following year, he made his final vows in the Jesuit order and worked as an assistant professor at the University of Hong Kong from 2008 to 2015 and Jesuit formator from 2009 to 2017. He also served as the president of the Chinese Jesuit Provinces Education Commission since 2009 and the Hong Kong Diocesan Council for Education since 2017. Chow began his role as provincial of the Chinese province of the Society of Jesus on 1 January 2018. Hong Kong is a special administrative region of China. Hong Kongers have historically enjoyed freedom of worship and evangelization, while in mainland China, by contrast, there is a long history of persecution for Christians who run afoul of the government. With the 2020 passage of new national security laws, the Chinese government seized more power to suppress pro-democracy protests in Hong Kong, which it sees as a direct challenge to its power. Hong Kong's national security law is broad in its definitions of terrorism, sedition, and foreign collusion. Under the law, a person who is convicted of the aforementioned crimes will receive a minimum of 10 years in prison, with the possibility of a life sentence. On April 16, authorities in Hong Kong sentenced several Catholic pro-democracy figures, including lawyer Martin Lee and media tycoon Jean Mi Lai, to prison sentences under the new security law. Hong Kong has been without a permanent bishop since January 2019. John Cardinal Tong Ho, who retired as Bishop of Hong Kong in 2017, has served as the diocese apostolic administrator since then. The date of Chow's episcopal consecration will be postponed until December 2021, according to local media in Hong Kong. The General Curia of the Jesuit Order released a statement on Chow's appointment on May 17. The Society of Jesus recognizes that Fr. Stephen has been called to serve the Church during these very challenging times and assures him of our prayer and collaboration. May the Lord bless him in this new ministry, it said.